in court with her former employees. Are you aware of that?
I am aware.
You are asked whether several issues have been raised before this Senate. The issue of whether you have filed a case and whether Virginia is your witness. And the issue in question is the memo. Is it your evidence that the signature does not belong to you?
Honorable Speaker and honorable members of the Senate, I am an advocate of the High Court. I would not come to lie to honorable members. This is not my signature. This signature has been lifted from previous documents and placed on this document.
And would you know whether the governor really received that evidence, that advice, when it's not you who gave it to her?
I may not know, Mr. Speaker, signed honorable members.
Now, what is the case that has been mentioned as relating to the question of the internal memo? Is there any relationship?
It's no relationship. This is about legal advice. And I have come to clear my name. Why? Because of the mediocrity of the advice. I would have wanted to also be a national leader. I had applied to be a PS. If I come to the committee that hears, the appointments from the national government, and such a document is presented as to have emanated from me, how would I speak for myself? How would I defend myself? The only reason I am here is to clear my name. And I am so disappointed that such a document would be forged with my name by Her Excellency. I have no ill feelings whatsoever against the governor.
A link has been laid that the honorable member who called you, relating the honorable member to the first impeachment motion. My question to you is there a relationship, or what came before the first impeachment and your internal memo, the forged internal memo?
Come again, Council?
There is a link that has been created.
Yes.
That you are here to perpetuate the deeds of the honorable member who called you to report to you about the internal memo. The question is, the first impeachment that was moved by the said honorable member, was it before the forged signature?
It was before the forged signature.
So you cannot be a conduit of the said member, can you?
No, I am not.
That's all, Mr. Honorable Speaker.
Legal counsel for the Assembly, just be aware that you only have 10 minutes
yes, Mr.
to
Speaker.
conclude with providing